What's up everybody, my name is Herlie Kim and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing another hair tool. First of its kind. It's really unique, so I have been eyeing this for quite a while now and I received this just fresh off the box earlier today. So here it is. This is the GHD Rise. There you go. It's very similar to my GHD Curve, except for the stick because it's actually tapered. It's basically the same, but it does have a brush. And I don't really know what to think about it. Honestly, I have thick hair, so I don't have any problems with volumizing. But when I saw a couple of videos regarding this, it's not just like volumizing, it actually does work with curling your hair. So I'm really excited to try that now. And as always, I'm going to be giving you my honest review regarding this and if it's really worth it, because this retails for $250. It is a hefty amount. So let's go ahead and start with the review. Let's quickly open this. Alright, this is what's inside. It's very straightforward, nothing too fancy. Actually, it's a lot thicker than what I expected. I thought it'd be thinner. I know I already mentioned this on my GHD Curve review, but let me just quickly reiterate that because it's pretty much the same. What I don't like is the button. As much as it's really easy to turn on and it's very straightforward, I could have wished that it could have been here somewhere like far from my grip, especially when I'm working on the back side. If I accidentally press it, I have to keep checking it because I feel like it's already turned off. So that is the only thing that I don't like about it, but other than that, as standard, there's no temperature control button. It has a constant optimum temperature of 365 degrees Fahrenheit for easy styling. So I just plugged in the cord. I'm not going to turn it on yet. I am going to be partitioning my hair into half so I can just like, you know, get into my hair because I know that my hair is already thick. So volume wise, I feel like I don't need it. But what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to do the first half of my hair so you guys can see and compare if it really does give me that volume, because it did say 2 times more volume from root to tip. So I'm very excited to see that. So I'm just going to quickly partition my hair. Alright, I'm back with my partitioned hair. So I know for sure that for GHD, whenever you turn it on, it'll only take you a couple seconds before it heats up. So let's just wait for that sound. Alright, I guess we're good to go. I heard the beep. Alright guys, so I'm done with half of my hair. I actually don't think that it did give me a lot of volume. It's just the curls are really nice and bouncy. I feel like my hair is so shiny, but I don't know if it's giving me that volume because in their ad that it was like a crazy thick amount of hair that grew. I don't know how they did this, but this is reality versus expectation. These bristles are supposed to give you a lot of volume, but nothing, nada. But anyway, let me just quickly finish the whole look and see if I change my mind. Alright guys, I'm done with both sides of my hair, so what do you guys think? Personally, I think that there's a tiny tidbit of volume that I have on my hair, but maybe it also varies on the type of hair that you have, because for me it's like thick, coarse hair and it did not work for me. If there's volume, then it's just really tiny. Like I can only see it because I did the curls. This effect reminds me of my Dyson Airwrap. The only thing about it is that the Dyson Airwrap is giving me that really voluptuous curl, while this one is more subtle and laid back. What it did was just basically give me the curls. For the ease of use, it's not very user-friendly. This one seems to tug my hair a little bit because of the bristles. It doesn't easily slide down my hair. My hair always gets getting stuck, so this is definitely a different type of material that they're using. And one thing I hate is that it doesn't really go through the very tip. So I try to be as careful as possible that I can cater to it, but it will just automatically slide through because there's nothing to grip. And instead of giving me that volume, it's giving me those tiny baby hairs that didn't want to tame itself. And this is what I'm getting. So there's a lot of static hair sticking out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's an example. This is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen. And yeah, so that's those are my qualms about GHD Rise. Honestly, if I were to judge if this one is worth $250, I don't think so. Like, as much as I like GHD as a brand, I feel like this product is not for me. I feel like for $250, you can use it for something better. If I were to spend on $250, I'd look for something else. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that one. You already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. I'll see you guys again on my next video. Bye!